The integration between IDEXX and ezyVet is seamless. It's a scary thing to change from one electronic medical record system to another, especially if you had a long history with the previous EMR. Whether you loved it or hated it, it was something that was familiar to you, so moving on from that can be very difficult. We can see about 100,000 to 120,000 cases per year, which is approximately 200 to 300 cases per day. Realistically, we've made a major upgrade, from our previous EMR to ezyVet and VetRadar. It's really simplified our workflow to a large degree. So, just the automatic billing, the integrations between the lab, radiology has really smoothed out the day. We missed far fewer charges, which is fantastic.
With utilizing the VetRadar app, a lot of our billing triggers haven't been missed. Everything makes its way through ezyVet to be charged for the patient, saving at least an hour per day per technician. With a 15 technician staff is a significant amount of change. It's helping us in a lot of ways.
Before we had paper records, which was difficult. Those in a hospital this size especially tend to go missing. Now, all of our medical records are in the cloud. I can access them anywhere in the world. It's extraordinarily easy to do, and it's been very, very helpful for me in my position as medical director. The ease with which IDEXX and ezyVet connect is very helpful. There's a little link tab within the diagnostic results section of ezyVet that will bring you right to Vet Connect Plus, and it has all of your results over time. It's improved our turnaround times, and it's improved our efficiency greatly. It's absolutely helped our ability to provide a better level of care and customer service.
There are a couple things that have kind of changed our way of life. VetRadar really stays with the patient at all times, and it helps us keep track without actually having something physically on paper. It was a nice, easy transition for some of my techs that maybe not as tech savvy to switch over to the digital format. Yeah.
We spent easily 40+ hours a week just making confirmation calls for appointments, and that has since gone away. With the automated confirmations for appointments through text message, it's made our lives much easier. I think it's made the client experience much smoother. I would say the savings there are easily $100,000, a year. We are seeing more patients now, and I think we can see more patients in a more timely and efficient manner. I think that may actually have contributed to the staff happiness on the floor. The goal is to have the client and the patient experience a shorter wait time, and I believe we've been able to do that with ezyVet.